Are you losing sleep over mounting bills, dreading every phone call because it might be another creditor? If you're drowning in debt and wondering if there's a way out, you're not alone. You're in the right place. Today, we're talking about whether bankruptcy might be the fresh start you need. I'm Martha Warner, and I'm a California bankruptcy attorney with over 40 years experience helping people just like you navigate their way out of financial hardship. In the next few minutes, I'll break down everything you need to know about bankruptcy, the good, the bad, and the ugly. When this video is done, you should know whether bankruptcy is the right move for you. Let's start with the basics. Bankruptcy is not a dirty word. It's a legal tool designed to give people a second chance. There are two main types most people consider. Chapter 7. Think of this as the fresh start bankruptcy. For most people, it wipes out existing unsecured debts completely, allowing you to start over with a clean slate. Chapter 13. This is more like a reorganization bankruptcy. It helps you keep your assets while you pay back a portion of what you owe to creditors over time. That's a simplified overview, but it gives you the foundation we need to build on. So how do you know if bankruptcy is worth considering? Ask yourself these questions. Are you using credit cards to pay for basic necessities? Are you only making minimum payments on your credit card debt? Have you been dodging calls from creditors? Are you losing sleep over your financial situation? Have you considered taking money from your retirement? Are you using balance transfers, to try and stay afloat? If you answered yes to any of these, a bankruptcy might be a viable option for getting your life back on track. Now, if you're researching this topic, you want reliable information. The best place to start is the official U.S. Bankruptcy Court website. I'll put that link in the description below. They have comprehensive information about the bankruptcy process. But here's the thing, bankruptcy law is complex, and it's easy to get overwhelmed trying to navigate it alone. The internet is full of information, but not all of it applies to your specific situation, and not all of it is accurate. As someone who has helped hundreds of individuals successfully file for bankruptcy over the past 4 decades, I can tell you that every case is unique. What works for your neighbor might not be the best solution for you. I understand that financial hardship isn't just about numbers on a page. It affects your sleep, your relationships, your peace of mind. That's why my approach isn't just about filing paperwork. It's about providing the support and guidance you need during this difficult time, helping you understand your options and working toward that fresh start, the one you deserve. So if you're considering bankruptcy, here's what I recommend. First, gather your credit reports, a list of your debts, assets, income, and expenses. Having a clear picture helps determine the best path forward. Second, don't wait until you're completely overwhelmed. The earlier you seek advice, the more options you typically have. And third, get professional guidance. Bankruptcy law changes, and what you read online might not reflect the current rules or how they apply to your specific situation. And some things, like income requirements and exemptions, vary from state to state. So if you're struggling with debt and wondering if bankruptcy might be right for you, I offer free 30-minute phone consultations. No pressure, no sales pitch, just honest advice about your options. You can find the contact form link in the description below. Also, this video is one of a series I call Bankruptcy Basics. So if this video doesn't answer your questions about bankruptcy, check out the rest of the series. Remember, financial difficulties don't define you, and there's no shame in seeking help when you need it. Bankruptcy has helped millions of Americans get back on their feet and build better financial futures. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more financial and legal insights. And remember, you don't have to face this alone. Give me a call at 760-409-7705 or email me at martha@bankruptcysage.com. Remember, I offer a free half-hour phone consultation where you can get your questions answered. And remember, this video is for education purposes only and doesn't constitute legal advice. Every situation is unique, so please consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney for specific advice on your circumstances. Thank you. I'll see you next time.